but this weird guy keeps following me around.
Filming, watching motorcycle videos in Los Angeles, California.
Support filmmakers, support small creators. He's right behind me, isn't he?
This is my daughter Maya. We're gonna go to the Paramount and watch a documentary about my friend Cary.
Yay!
Maya has a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to her YouTube. It's right here. We're not taking the bike because it's raining and cold, and I doubt Maya would want to get on the bike anyway and ride into downtown LA.
I'm a delicate flower.
Yeah, hard pass, huh? I don't think her mom would let it happen anyway. We made it. Found parking.
Yeah.
There wasn't too much rain, actually. But yeah, we're gonna take some pictures and see what's up. Oh, shit, let's go. Maya and I are both film lovers, so I'm really excited to see how this turns out. The trailers look amazing. Motorcycle videos in Los Angeles, California. There's nothing better. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Isn't that so pretty?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yay!
You're gonna have to send me the photo so I can put it in the video.
Hey there. We're waiting for them to play the movie. Kind of excited, but this weird guy keeps following me around. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Selling how to take this whole model of publishing into the center.
We're heading out. They're doing a little Q&A, but we're early birds. Ready to go home.
It's a school night.
No, it's not. Oh, it is. It's Sunday night, yeah. But that was awesome. Billy, you did an amazing job. I absolutely loved the film. Did you think?
I almost shed a tear.
You almost shed a tear?
I know.
No, I got a little teary-eyed because I love Cary. I've known Cary for a long time, and it was very heartwarming. I love hearing stories about regular people, and Cary's just one of the boys. we got some photos, it's kind of dark in there, but if we got some photos, I guess like my theme now.
I got photos.
Oh, she got photos. I guess the theme now is I do a little like slideshow. Photos of you. So I didn't take that many. For Maya, I think took a few. So
I got some good ones too.
okay. Well,
Ooh, child.
enjoy the slideshow and go check out the video. It is on Think Lab Productions YouTube channel. That's Billy Barnes, and he's amazing. And this is episode 5. It's called the series is called Origin. So I'll link it in the description below, and go check him out. Support him if you want to support independent filmmaking. He does have a GoFundMe, and you can be part of the next episode.
Support filmmakers, support small creators.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Please do. And check out Maya's channel. I'll put her, we should do a collaboration, a video, because you can collaborate on YouTube now.
Yeah. Okay. Subscribe. Maia Dias.
Okay, bye.